Okay, bog fixing day. Look at this. They're bust and it's an old one, so I'm going to change it for a new one. Got the parts here. New seat there. Got a slight problem. Fit. This is large. It's ridiculous. Hold on. Need focus. Look at that. The split. Anyway, I can't hang about it anymore. So all we've got to do is take the old one off. I think underneath there's just a couple of plastic. Here we go. They're plastic. Have a look at that. Not the nicest of jobs, hence the gloves. So I shall now be purchasing some new gloves that fit. So just undo them. They're plastic, and then we'll fit the new ones. Okay, took them off, done. Take that off. Toilet seat's not bad actually, the toilet's in quite clean, look at that. Our cleaners are good. So we're just going to get behind there and give that a bit of a clean. Ready to fit. These new ones are good. I'll show you how they fit them, that's the general idea. If we get that in focus, there we go. Okay, pop up the two flaps, line it up. What you need to do is put the flash, so put the bolt through the top, so it fits like that. You've got a little tiny, it's like a spacer that goes in the holes. Push that, so I would say to about here, sort of like maybe a quarter of an inch from the top, okay? Then that'll fit in the hole. And then you put your little bit underneath, that blocks the bottom of the toilet, and then you've got the snap off nut here, and that really does put it tight. I'll show you. It's not even a quarter of an inch actually, it's less than that. Oh, I keep dropping it. Right. So put it in. So I'm doing this one-handed. Push him down. Just get that from underneath. Okay, line them up. And then hold it with the top with just your finger or thumb for now. And then screw this up. Get a little self grip at the top. Do the same the other side, and then I'll show you what we do then. And then using a 1/2-inch spanner, it's holding itself at the top, okay, it's holding itself there. It's out of focus, sorry. And there we go, it snaps off, and that means it's anti-tamper proof really. We can get you in focus, there we go. Same the other side. This must be one of the most easiest fitting toilet seats I've ever come across. Alright, quite straightforward when you're finished. Pop it down. Looks great. Alright, take care. If you enjoyed that vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and we'll catch you in the next one.